Have you ever wondered how often you should actually clean everything in your home? Some chores need attention every day, while others can be done weekly, monthly, or even just once a year. Striking the right balance keeps your space hygienic, fresh, and comfortable without feeling like you're constantly cleaning. Welcome to the FastKlean channel. Before we continue, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our expert cleaning tips. Daily tasks focus on hygiene and preventing buildup. Kitchens should be wiped down after meals, sinks and stovetops cleaned, and high-touch areas sanitized. Bathrooms benefit from a quick daily refresh, wiping the sink, rinsing the shower, and disinfecting the toilet seat. Sweeping or vacuuming high-traffic areas daily helps keep dirt from spreading. Weekly cleaning tackles areas that don't need daily attention but still accumulate dust and bacteria. Vacuuming, mopping, dusting furniture and vents, scrubbing bathrooms, and washing bedding and towels all help maintain freshness. This routine also includes wiping appliances and disinfecting bins. Monthly cleaning focuses on deeper tasks, wiping the inside of the fridge, cleaning the oven and microwave, vacuuming furniture, and washing curtains or blinds. Flushing drains with baking soda and vinegar prevents blockages, while rotating mattresses and dusting fixtures keeps everything in good condition. Some jobs only need to be done seasonally or annually. Deep cleaning carpets, washing windows, decluttering storage spaces, and maintaining outdoor areas like patios and gutters can be done a few times a year. Tasks like cleaning behind heavy appliances or air ducts are best scheduled annually. By spreading chores out across daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly intervals, you keep your home in great shape without burnout. Cleaning isn't about perfection, it's about consistency. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need it, and don't forget to subscribe to the FastKlean channel for more expert cleaning advice.